Let's kick things off by acknowledging the progress made. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. So, find a quiet space, grab your journal, and jot down 3 accomplishments from the past week. These could be anything, from resisting a sugary treat to completing a challenging workout. Now, think about the goals penned at the beginning of this journey. Have they been met, or do they need some tweaking? Remember, it's all right to adjust your goals. The journey is about evolution and growth, not perfection. Weight loss is not just about the numbers on the scale. It's about feeling healthier, happier, and more confident in your skin. Reflect on the non-scale victories you've experienced. Perhaps you've noticed a boost in energy, better sleep, or clothes fitting more comfortably. Now that we've celebrated your achievements, it's time to set the stage for the coming weeks. Think about what you'd like to accomplish next. Maybe it's a new workout regimen, a healthier diet, or a commitment to self-care. The key is to set realistic, achievable goals that will keep you motivated and excited. And there you have it. Day 9 of our challenge is complete. Give yourself a big round of applause for the progress you've made and for the journey ahead. If you're comfortable, share one of your accomplishments or new goals in the comments below. Remember, every small step counts. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you on day 10. Keep moving, keep growing, and stay amazing.